Hello, this is Chris with Elkhorn Silver LLC. This morning I'm going to make a small demonstration on how to make a hammered bow earring and how to make smaller bows so you can have a bracelet or a chain. We're going to need a earring finding. We have some small jump rings with a 2.5 millimeter inside diameter and 20 gauge brass wire. We're going to start by flush cutting the ends of the wire and getting, for the earring, we're going to have to measure that out 2¼ inches and flush cut that. So then we're going to get a small cup burr and we're going to round the ends so that they don't catch on anything. And nice rounded ends. Today we're going to need chain nose pliers, a step forming pliers, a flush cutter, a round nose pliers, and a plenishing hammer. I forgot to mention that. We're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make 2 small rings. One, they're going to be opposite facing. Like so, if you can see that. And then we're just going to close those ends up so that they touch. Doesn't take much, so it looks nice. Then we're going to take our forming pliers, step forming pliers, and we're going to point that towards U. Go to our lowest one on that. Round it around. We're going to do the same thing with the opposite side. So you have your bow and you have these 2 whole round parts pretty close to each other. So then to finish it, this is the harder part. You're going to take your chain nose, get your little jump ring right on the end. You're going to have to go through, let's see if I can show this, turn it around, have it go through the other ring. Chain nose pliers, and you're going to close that jump ring up. See if I can get it there. So who's the bugger to get? So then that closes that bow. If you can see that. Then we're going to take our plenishing hammer and we're going to hammer that flat. Both ends. hammered bow earring. Then you're going to take your earring finding and just attach it. Now you can sand and polish this or run it through a burnishing mix in your tumbler before you put it on here. But basically that is your finished earring right there. Now let's go to making a chain for a necklace or a bracelet. And you can put your findings on the end for your connectors, your clasp. But this is what we're going to make, and then we're going to close off each one as we make it, so it doesn't come apart. Once again, we're going to flush cut at the end of that. This time we're going to do 1 5/8 inches. Once again, we're going to use the cut burr. Around the ends. A bit too much pressure on it. Okay. Then we're going to take our round nose pliers. We're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to put a little ring on there opposite each other. Sometimes it's a little off and you just need to make sure the bent opposite from each other. Then we're going to close the rings. So, and like so, so that they touch the wire. Now, the next bend, we're going to use our round nose pliers, and I've marked on here 3/8 of an inch rather from the end, and that's where we're going to bend with the circle here facing you. We're going to bend that around, touches the wire. Make sure this is all kosher. Then we're going to bend the other one the exact same way. Get those all in right. And so you got those in close proximity. Your two round pieces you made there. Of course, this is the hard part again. That's closing it. It's not open enough. Open up that a little bit more than what it was. And this is your 2.5 millimeter inside diameter jump ring. You're going to take that through. You think you're going to. and take it through the other hole. Easier said than done. Sometimes this goes real smooth, sometimes you just have to work at it. Let me do that again. Let me get a different one. Maybe it'll work a little better for me. Get through. Bring it around. Well, we're a little clumsy today. Take it through the other ring. Close your jump ring. There you have your tiny bow. And then you're just going to rinse and repeat. You're going to take another one, put it through there. You're going to get another tiny jump ring. And do just like you did before. And close your jump ring. And that's how it's supposed to go, smooth like that. Then you just rinse and repeat. Keep adding them on and closing them. You got a little bow earring or bracelet. Not earring, but a bracelet, or you could make an earring out of it also. A bracelet or a necklace. Well, that's the end of that demonstration. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. I'm adding a close-up on how that small jump ring is put on this bow, because I don't think you could see it in the video. Let's see if I can get this go. Turn it around. Set it through like that. And close your jump. So it looks like that. Okay, that should cover that you couldn't see in the other part of the video. Thank you.